So once you've got your audience figured out, the next thing you need to do is figure out where you're going to activate it. There's lots of partners out there. I would encourage the two criteria of that being, is this a partner that I'm close with, that I can really develop a deep partnership with and maybe do some cool stuff that not everybody can do? And is this a platform that will drive the value that I'm looking for, right? Facebook is going to do something different than Google is going to do. TikTok is not going to work to generate leads. Programmatic is going to be great for awareness, like the Trade Desk. It might not be so great at conversion, right? You might not get actual conversions out of programmatic the same way that you would out of Google or Facebook. Amazon is another great one. I think the Amazon DSP is super powerful, but it's kind of hard to use. And so if you have the ability to work with Amazon and offer that type of advertising to your customer, that's going to really be attractive to them because they don't have a way to do that. Because they don't have a team that knows how to do it. So pick a platform that's attractive, that you have a good partnership with, and that meets the KPI of your end user. Some other things to think about when you're selecting platforms or working with the platforms, see if there's a way you can get access to something unique, right? If you have a really deep relationship with Facebook, see if there's a beta that no one else has access to. See if they're willing to, an example of this is I have worked with Trade Desk in the past to develop like custom audience models or custom optimization algorithms, right? That we can offer as a co-branded thing. You need a lot of scale to do that, but see if there's a way that you can pick a partner that is willing to meet you halfway and do something cool to offer something unique to the market, right? The other one is really be proactive about understanding measurement based on the platform you're using. As an example, Facebook, kind of a black box, very powerful, great at getting high volumes of things. Generally, quality can be lower. And their measurement is really just what ad drove what KPI. They don't give you log level data. They don't give you user journeys. They don't give you really good information about ad exposure, right? So, but they're really, really good at driving conversion. So Facebook is an important platform. But if your users are going to require, your customers are going to require really deep measurement, you might want to think about who's going to give that to you. Because again, value is the biggest churn driver. If you're working with programmatic, again, see if you can get access to inventory. Like I said, there's whole products built around having unique access to inventory. So see if you can negotiate something like that. And like the Amazon example, leverage barriers to entry. What can you do because you have scale that your customers can't do? Because access can be, again, the whole backbone of a product. So just some things to think about as you're vetting partners and vetting platforms to launch on. And hopefully you pick one that you can do one or a few of these things with.